Bitch. Get outshot by a fucking pistol, dude.
Sleight of hand.
On the fucking head glitch, too.
Excellent job, Ghosts.